Splish, splash, rain is falling from the sky. But where does all that water come from? It didn't appear out of nowhere. And no, the clouds aren't crying. It's a magical journey. It starts with the sun warming the oceans, lakes, and puddles. The water turns into invisible mist and floats up, up, up. High in the sky, the air is cold. The mist cools down and sticks together into tiny droplets. And that's how clouds are made. The droplets bump and join, growing bigger, until they're too heavy to float. Then they tumble back down as rain. And here's the magic. The same water goes around and around for millions of years. The rain on your window once splashed near the dinosaurs. So rivers fill, plants take a drink, the water floats up again, round and round. We call it the water cycle. Next rainy day, listen close. That's the sky giving Earth a drink. What should we wonder about next? Subscribe,